Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Elevative World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix off files and folder always show icon and newer thumbnails on Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the and you can subdisk. So I have done just now. So here are the things. Let's do the desktop. See, the thing has been hide. Now go to the three dot icon. Here we have not written the Windows is written the see more. So click here and click the options. See in options, so you will go to the view and this thing has been unmarked. So click here and the things has been written. So always show icons, never thumbnails. So I will do the apply and okay. See, the thing has been opened. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.